Deriving the formula of the nth term of the n of arithmetic progression. For this part, okay, we are going to derive the formula of the n so that in a particular way, okay, you are going to find any sequence by using the formula easily. You can refer to this activity in query 2, but here I'm going to show you by using a sequence. Okay, from that you can come up with the formula. Before that, let's recall. Note that T1 is also known as the first term, and also we call it as NA. While the difference, okay, let's say this is T1, T2, T3. The difference between T3 and T2 or T2 and T1, we call it as the difference. For example, if given to you 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, and the nth term is 20, I can say that this number 2 is your first term and also known as NA. This number 4 is your second term, where A we add up with D, and this is our third term, and this number 6, okay, actually comes from A plus D plus D. Can you see the relationship? So this is D. So let's refer here. I'm going to write as T1 as NA, which is equal to 2. T2 is equal to A plus D, which is, since our A is 2, so this is 2 plus 2. Because our difference, okay, the D here is T2 minus T1 equals to 2. That's why D is 2. And the T3 is A plus D, which is equal to A plus 2D, which is 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2, because our D here is 2, so we are going to substitute that. And finally 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So here, okay, let's see, the T1 is 2 and this is 2, while T2 is 4, so 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And the T3 is 6, and finally here is 6. So until the nth term, okay, what we can see here is this is 1, 2, 3, until the nth term. Kita tak tahu sampai bila dia stop. We can say this is A plus, look at D. When our n here is 1, the D here is 0. When n is 2, our D here is 1. When this is 3, our D here is 2. But what happened to the n? Kalau kita tengok kat sini, for every number di sini, nilai D dia berkurang sebanyak 1. So we can say that at the nth term, our d here is actually lesser by 1, so n minus 1 multiplied by d. So let's test for T4 here. Okay, we knew that given A is 2 and D is 2, since it is T4, n is equal to 4. So T4 is equal to A is 2, n is 4, 4 minus 1, and D is 2. So it is equal to 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, multiplied by 2, 2 plus 6, so it is equal to 8. So we can see here, since T4 is equal to 8, by using the formula, our answer for T4 is equal 8. Correct. So note that A is equal to the first term while D is the common difference. You can take any n minus by the number before. For example, 3, 5 minus by 3, 4. And you have derived the formula just now, which is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. So please note, okay, these three formula for today's class.